Are you experiencing your iPhone battery overheating while charging? This issue can occur due to various factors such as intensive background processes, using your phone while charging, or charging in high-temperature environments. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Before you start, turn off the Reduce Motion feature. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, tap on Motion. Turn off the Reduce Motion feature. Many users are unaware, but the Reduce Motion settings can sometimes cause the device to overheat, especially while charging. Solution 1. Check for intensive background processes. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Battery. To check if any apps are using excessive power. If you notice any apps consuming high power, force them close by swiping up from the bottom and swiping away the app. You can also offload apps by following these steps. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, select the app, then tap Offload App. Solution 2. Disable Background App Refresh. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on General, scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Choose off to stop apps from refreshing in the background, reducing battery load and helping cool down your iPhone. Solution 3. Enable Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode reduces the power consumption of your iPhone, which can help prevent the battery from overheating. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on Battery, toggle on Low Power Mode. This temporarily reduces performance in some features, but it may help prevent your battery from overheating while charging. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your iPhone overheating while charging. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.